Welcome to another Tech Genius review. Let's check it out. Here we have K600PRO. Let's check all the features: LCD screen, photos, videos, GPS system, auto return, waypoints, follow me, headless mode, point of interest, obstacle avoidance, real-time FPV. I am very excited about this drone. Let's open it. Hello, K600PRO. Perfect. We have a nice case. There we go. Let's check it out. I am very excited about this product. And here is the drone. Let's take it out carefully. I will put the boxes one by one. User manual. Remote controller with LCD screen. Here is the battery. These are some of the extra propellers. Let's see what we have inside. We have two sets of propellers. Great quality. And one USB-C to USB-C cable. One USB-A to USB-C cable. Here we have the screwdriver with magnets. See. While you're changing the propellers, it's going to be very easy to change it. Let's take out the drone. There we go. This is perfect. 4K GPS drone with a 3-axis gimbal and 5.5-inch touchscreen controller. Delivers smooth aerial footage, long-range transmission, and up to 50x zoom. Features GPS auto return, follow me, orbit flight, and waypoint navigation. Brushless motor and 3500 mAh battery provide up to 55 minutes of flight time. That's crazy. Beginner friendly with 1 key takeoff, height hold, and advanced flight stability. Here we have the cameras, sensors. Let's check the bottom parts. There we go. All the sensors, cameras, and LED lights. Let's check the controller. Look at that 5.5-inch screen. And let's take this out and the other one out and go ahead and put it there. There we go. That's it. Antennas. Very smooth. About the bottom part, we have two buttons over here and two knobs. Let's turn it on. Let me put the battery in it. Perfect. We're gonna continue with English. Let's check the remote controller first. Here is the indoor mode. This is GPS mode. You can fly it outside. Airdrop button here. 1 key return. When we check the screen, these are what we have. You can switch between photo and video. And you can see the satellites over there. Here is the SD card place. And we have some mode, ordinary mode. You can press over here to change the mode. Let's see, ordinary mode, high mode, and regular mode. Let's see the remote controller, gimbal angle, speed mode, zoom, short press photo, long press video. There you go. Let's check the buttons here. Power switch, airdrop button, short press geomagnetic calibration, long press obstacle avoidance. 1 key return, GPS switch, and power switch. How about the screen? Drone status, speed mode, controller signal, controller power, number of satellites, drone power, and here is the setting. You can take a photo or video. Just press over here, you can switch. You can check the gallery. Here is the wireless. Here is the map, more functions, 1-click return, 1-click takeoff, and landing. At the bottom, you're gonna see distance, height, movement speed. Currently, I'm charging. Right now, it's about 75%. Let's take it out. And I will go ahead and turn it on. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Before we get started, here is the turn on and off button. And here is the area if you want to hang and carry or deliver something. As you can see, delivery is only. You can just hang it right there. And we have non-slippery pads there. And there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And check the camera. Let's see. Currently, camera is calibrating right now. Alrighty.
GPS mode.
Here is the quality. Now everything is ready. Let's see it closely. Here we have the LED lights. Front ones green, back ones are red color. Let's remove the color. That way we can see it better. And let me turn it on. And check the camera. Look at that. It's calibrating right now. Now calibrated. And we can go ahead and check the camera quality.
GPS mode.
Now we have enough GPS. Let's see some of the settings. Here is the airdrop. You can hear it. And this is emergency landing. Indoor, outdoor. You can change the speed right there.
High mode.
High mode,
Sports mode.
sports mode,
Ordinary mode.
ordinary mode,
High mode.
high mode. And you can take a picture. Short press. When you press long, it's gonna record videos. Let's go ahead and press long. Currently, it's recording. Let's see. Currently, I'm just shaking it, but the video quality is perfect. And there you go. You can change the direction, up and down, left side, right side, zoom. Wow. Check this out. And these are some of the settings. High definition, night mode. Let's check the night mode. Currently it's night mode. We're gonna check it during nighttime. Version, brightness, screen brightness, beginner mode, total flight distance. You can change it, or you can turn off the beginner mode, flight altitude and return altitude. Calibration, whether or not to calibrate the remote control compass. Right now I don't need it. We have more settings over here. Follow mode, lens adjustment, surrounding flight, far fly, unlock, rocket fly, helix fly, zoom, waypoints. Let's go back and you can see the GPS over there. There we go. This is the maps. Before you fly the drone, you need to have 2 mini SD cards. Here is the first one and here is the second one. I already put that. Don't forget to format it. Just wait all of it. And then you're gonna check the drone SD card and the remote controller SD card. I already formatted the drone SD card. Now I just put the remote controller SD card right there. Now it's gonna get the signal and it will be ready. I put 2 SD cards for the drone and the remote controller. Now I can go ahead and format both of them. When you press over here, it's gonna say if you want to format. So I put to the right. Now it's being formatted. Oh, check this out. There's an ant over there. It's still formatting. Now we can do the calibration. It is doing it. Now it's calibrated. Now it's on. Okay, we're gonna check the video quality. And we can go lower. Alright, well I'm gonna go to left and right. You can check the video quality right now. It's not shaking. No, nothing. That's perfect. Let me go up a little bit. And I can look down. Perfect. Up. Let me zoom in. Oh my god, look at that. That's perfect. And I'm gonna use one key button to come back. It's right there. I'm just trying to find the location. That's it. Successfully landed. I'm gonna move my drone. Check the camera quality. See,